Good afternoon, everyone. Jack of Northwest Bus Sales. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2000 Bluebird All-American. This is a 78-passenger Bluebird All-American. Let's check it out. Alright, so I'm going to watch a step here. Going to the driver area first. Driver people sheet. Oh yeah, this is a Bluebird, not the Thomas. Got a Transatlantic pad here. The miles around 2803,102 miles. So this is a carbonization overdrive here. Some radio. Alright, so in the back here, this is a 78-passenger emergency exit on the window, emergency up top. Midship door on driver's side, no cuts stuffing, guys like that. Got some speakers, zigzag, gonna be winning the aisle. Fans, number 1 and number 2. Intercomex mirror here. Plug kit there. We got the seated right here on this button case. I think you guys turning that. Let's do into to me. The back in the driver's seat is 26 feet. So this is a 27.76, 5 inches. Before in this thumb lights there. Let's see, we got some AC here, some right here to the 7.6. So this is a 7'5" inches. Got the 28 feet, 7'5" inches. And into the height in the center of the aisle, which is 6'1". Alright, that'll do it for the inside. Let's check on the outside. Alright, so checking the tires here. And then we got some backpack suitcases there. Got the driver's side tire. Look at this, how it's pretty, isn't it? Huh? Okay. So which one's in the car? Got a gas in the view here. Alright, so this is powered by the Cummins ISC 8.3 liter turbo diesel engine. Paired with an 1000 PTS automatic transmission. Looking good. Got the driver's side tire here, looks pretty nice. And last but not least, we have a front driver's side tire there. Alright, thank you guys for watching this Northwest Bus Sales explosive video tool. If you like this bus sale, ending up as a call out, say 1-800-231-7399. Please upside nwbus.com. More e-sales at nwbus.com. Thanks for watching.